Hello everyone, welcome to Malik Joe 34 channel. This is Mallikarjun. In this today's session, I'm going to quickly cover on the different migration types and the in which scenario what type of migration method will be applicable or can be used. In this quick one slide session, I'm going to cover everything. And then before I get started with this today's explanation, so if you are new to my channel, always go back to YouTube and search for Malik Joe 34 and then please do subscribe. And if you like my videos, please share, like and comment. Okay, let's see in this screen. If you can see here, I basically mentioned four types of migration scenarios. The first migration scenario is migration on the same platform, for example Linux to Linux, server A to server B, or Windows to Windows, server A to server B. Like it is going to be on the same EDN format and same DB version, 11G to 11G, or 12C to 12C, or 19C to 19C. It is going to be on the same EDN format and the same platform, Linux to Linux. The second migration type is the migration on the different platform, like for example Linux to AIX, or Linux to Windows, or Windows to AIX. It is going to be different EDN format but the same DB version. 11G is going to be 11G, or 12C is going to be 12C, or 19C is going to be 19C. Database version is going to be same, but the EDN format or the platform is going to be different. Linux to AIX, or Linux to Windows, or AIX to Windows, anything. And the third type of migration is migration with upgradation on the same platform. For example, again, Linux to Linux, or AIX to AIX, or Windows to Windows, the platform or EDN format is going to be same, but the DB different DB version. Like for example, 11G to 12C, or 12C to 19C, or 18C to 19C. So it is a database upgradations on the same platform. And the fourth type of migration is migration with upgradation on the different platform. For example, 11G to 12C, or 12C to 19C, we are going to upgrade DB version, as well as the different platform, Linux to AIX, or Linux to Windows, or like Windows to AIX, or any kind of different EDN format and different DB version. These are the four types of migration types I can think of as of now. And then in these four type of scenarios, what are the tools can applicable? If you see here, like on the migration on the same platform, on the same DB version, same median format and same DB version, export import is applicable, rman backup recovery is applicable, rman active database duplicate is applicable, and data guard, you can build your data guard and then switch over, you can convert switch over and fail over, you can do switch over and then you can remove your standby database. Like that, you can do it using data guard, or you can use transportable table space, or you can use the golden gate and other tool. All the methods, all the tools here mentioned are applicable migration on the same platform. If you are going with the migration on the different platform on the same DB version, export import obviously it is supported, and rman backup and recovery is not supported. For example, Linux to Windows, if you are migrating, so Linux, if you take rman backup at Linux, that is not applicable at the Windows restoration. Similarly, rman active database duplicate is not supported. And coming to the data guard is supported. Actually, in Oracle they will call it as a homogeneous and heterogeneous database, data guard. Homogeneous is the same platform, heterogeneous is the different platform. Like Linux to AIX, there's a one particular MOS document where Oracle clearly mentioned which different platforms are supported. For example, Linux to AIX data guard is supported, whereas Linux to Windows data guard is not supported by Oracle. Like certain combinations of data guard with a different platform is supported with the data guard, Oracle data guard. So you have to check it out in which migration method you are doing it. If it is coming on the supported different platform, obviously you can go with the data guard, but all the platforms are not supported here. Only certain platform like Linux to AIX is supported, or Linux to I'm not able to recollect what are those. I'll mention in my comment section what is that MOS document. You can go through that, what are the different platform data guard supported with Oracle. And coming to the transportable table space is obviously supported, and golden gate is obviously supported. And the third type is migration with upgradation on the same platform. Export import is supported, rman backup recovery is supported, and rman active database duplicate is supported, and data guard is not supported, and transportable table space is supported, golden gate is supported. And similarly, coming to the fourth type of migration with upgradation on the different platform, different EDN format and different DB version. Like export import is obviously supported, and admin backup recovery, admin active database duplicate, and data guard, all these three are not supported. And transportable table space and golden gate, obviously these are supported method. So you have to look it into this which type of migration method you are doing it, and based upon that what is customer downtime, and what is the database size, you have to do analysis, and based upon that you need to pick up which tool is applicable, either export or import, or admin backup recovery, or admin active database duplicate, or the data guard, or the transportable table space, or the golden gate, or other tools. So this is a quick scenario type of migration scenario, and then migrations option or tools. It will basically helpful for the migration method. I hope it is pretty informative, guys. Thank you, thanks a lot, and I'll come up with a new session. Thank you.